you for clicking on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I make this oil, okay? And how to use it in my hair. Here we go. So I have a little water in my pan. I'm gonna take my regular saucepan and place it inside. I already got started. So what I use is my rosemary. I used almost a cup of olive oil in it, and then I also use my avocado oil. All right, so my rosemary's been cooking for about 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of my fenugreek seeds. I'm gonna turn my burner up just a little bit. I'm gonna let this do its thing for another 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna pour it into my jar. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and let it cool off. See how the rosemary look? This is what it looked like before I started. This is what it's looking like now. See the difference? All right, my oil is cooled off. Some of my flax seeds may go into my jar. That's okay. Rosemary may go in there also. And that's fine with me. Tablespoon of this oil. And I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons for my vitamin E. My tea tree oil, I'm also gonna do 2 tablespoons. And for my peppermint oil, just gonna try to do a couple of drops. To tap on it. Shake it pretty good. So I probably strain it again in a different type of strainer and then put it in the applicator I'm gonna use to apply it to my hair. And it's ready to go. All right, so this is how I'm gonna refresh these old twists. I'm gonna go from this to this. Yes. I'm gonna use some of this moisturizer to help refreshen it. Yeah, give a little moisture because I have been spraying, you know, water and aloe vera juice in my hair all week. I'm gonna put this on my twist. Now I'm gonna apply this oil that I made, rosemary and fenugreek. Massage it in. Take some oil, not a lot. Squeezing it in. Now all I'm gonna do is just untwist and hope for the best. Okay, I ain't playing. These are old twists. Understand. I'm not gonna too much worry about it, but because I'm not gonna leave this up for too long. Nope. Just a day or so. Maybe I should make a video on this, and what I use and all that. So, just gonna fluff it and separate it with my hand. I'm not using a comb or a pick or anything. Yeah. I like it like this, but of course, I gotta do these edges, okay? Yeah. So I did a video on this BTL. So I decided I'm just really mainly using it for my edges and along my parting. Yeah, fresh it up, baby. And I'm also gonna use some of my Eco Styler Gel. I just like using my Eco Styler Gel on top of my edge control. That's just how I do. I'm gonna put some of my gel along my parting, make my braids look a lot more fresh. Happy dance. Hey, did I let you know? I hope you're doing good. I really do. And I appreciate you for watching my video. If you subscribe to my channel yet, it's fine. If you want to. If you do, thank you. If you are, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video. Have a good one, okay? Bye.